You can now get paid daily on Timebucks, and if you want to see payment proof and see how I earn a minimum of $5 daily there, then keep watching. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of ways to make money online, and recently there has been some big updates on a platform I talked about before called Timebucks, and in this video here I will explain about that, how you can now get paid daily. I will show you payment proof also, and also explain a bit about the overall earning potential so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let me just quickly explain a little bit about what Timebucks is. This will not be a full tutorial because I have that both a video and a written article on my website, so I'll leave a link to that on my website. You can go there and find that if you want to see a full tutorial. This is instead an update where I tell you about some very important changes that has been on Timebucks. But just in case you don't know what it is a get paid to site that is free to join. You can join from all countries. You can get paid to play games, take paid surveys, do micro tasks, sign up for free trials, all kind of small tasks you can do there. But let's now talk about the payment system, because that has recently changed, so you can now get paid every single day. So the payment system on Timebucks used to be automatically every single week. So if you earned $5, because that's a payout threshold, a very low payout threshold, then they would automatically process the payments once per week. But they have now changed that, and you can see they even announced that on the Facebook page. And I will also show you proof of this inside my Timebucks account. And you can see it says daily payout. So every single day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they will send it out. They do not send on Fridays and Saturdays. So 5 times a week you can actually get paid. So daily you just need to reach the $5 threshold, and then you will automatically get paid into your chosen payout option. And Timebucks has quite a few different payout options. You can see that inside in the settings where you can choose it. You see they have RTM, Wise, Litecoin per year, Visa card, Skrill or PayPal. So some quite good options if you want to get paid in cash. But let me now show you payment proof also, so you can see that I actually do get paid daily from them. So I have now jumped to the payment section, and you can then see here it actually does pay daily. There are of course twice a week that they do not pay, as I just said, but other than that you can see every single day, as long as you reach the payout threshold. So you would need to earn $5 per day to be able to get paid, and then you'll get paid automatically. You can also set it to accumulate, so you can just choose that you will not have it to pay you out automatically, and then it will just wait until you actually set the payout option, and then you will then get paid. But as you can see here, I actually earn minimum of $5 every single day, and at the top it makes it very clear. It says exactly how long it is, and again that is because there are 2 days per week where it does not pay out. But other than that, you will just see there will be a counter, so you can see exactly when you will get paid. Again, I just want to make it clear, if you have not earned $5 that day, it's not that you lose your earnings or anything like that. They will just carry over. So then as soon as you reach the $5 payout threshold, then you will get paid. But let's just also talk a little bit about the overall earning potential, because I know a lot of you will likely be asking about that now. So just to make it clear, there is of course no guarantee that you will earn $5 every day, and how much you can earn depends a lot on the country you live in and which tasks you do, because Timebucks has a lot of different ways to earn. It, for example, has small micro tasks and videos and ads and things like that you can watch. But if you do that as the only way to earn, it will take quite some patience to reach $5. But the great thing about those tasks is that you can do them no matter where you live. In some countries, there are not that many surveys available. So in some countries, it will be hard to earn $1 per day. And in other countries, if you combine the paid offers, the games, the service and all that, then definitely possible to earn $5 or more per day. It all depends on your country and the task you choose. So that's very important to understand, that you will not earn $5 just by watching the videos, for example, or clicking the ad. For those tasks, it will take a lot of patience, but Timebucks is still paying more for those tasks than many other platforms where you can earn by, for example, watching videos and clicking ads. But if you want to, for example, get a chance at earning $5 in a day and then get paid the next day, then you would need to also live in a country where you can find a decent number of paid offers and paid surveys. So I just wanted to make that clear so you know what to expect. And I also want to make it clear that you can also earn extra by inviting people, and because I've talked about it before, before. I also have some people that join through my invitation link, and that will give me a commission. They will earn the same, but it's a way to support me. So if you're not yet a member, you're also more than welcome to join through my invitation link. That will support my channel. You learn the exact same thing, so I would definitely appreciate that support. But that also means that if you become a member and you like it, you can also invite others, and then you can also earn a bit extra by doing that. So just wanted to be transparent and say that quite a bit of my earnings are also because of that. So of course that can be a way to boost your earnings also. But if you want to know even more about Timebucks, then I have the full tutorial on my website as mentioned. I will leave a link to that below. At the top there you can also find a joining link so you can easily get started with Timebucks. So make sure to check that out below, and also if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time on this video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.